Hi everyone, make that twisted part in the middle and with the remaining hair have a rubber band attached to the top and bottom and bend the entire tip over and stuff it inside the middle portion making a bun and have a beautiful hairpin attached to its position. Hold your bunch on top and have a beautiful, very large hairpin insert from bottom to top and secure its position on the opposite side. Comb the remaining tail a little bit, attach a rubber band at the end, bend it forward by having a lovely hairpin and bend it even more down by securing its position behind the hair bun we first created. Out of your lovely bunch, divide it into 3 parts and you know what you have to do, braid it all the way and pinch the braid for volume and have it rolled over to the top part and secure its position with a large hairpin and also have a lovely hairpin of course. Grab your bunch on top and insert a very large hairpin from bottom to top and move its position in the opposite side. Comb the ponytail a little bit, attach a rubber band in the top part and bring a ponytail down by using a hairpin. Grab the hair from the sides and give guide, tie it in the middle and make the twisted pattern buns. With the remaining hair, have a rubber band attached to the top part and as well as to the bottom as well. Make the bottom one braided and have a loop in the center and drop it inside. Then have a loop in the second rubber band and fix the tail into it. Then make the entire bun go to the top and have it in place by having a lovely hairpin. Create your bunch, but this time make a very large hair lump and drop it inside the ridge recreated using your finger and stuff the tips as well. Now close the ridge by combing your hair a little bit down, then secure its position with a lovely hair clutcher. Insert a very long bun maker with a pretty tip at the ends and twist your hair onto it and make it swirl into clockwise manner and hide the tips underneath the bun you created and secure tips as well by bending it anti-clockwise. Make a lump out of your ponytail and have a loop from the rubber band and make the tail go into it in the left side. It's a simple bun. Straighten your buns with a bun maker and roll it to the top and bend it down forming a circle and hide the bun maker by extending the hair. Have a beautiful hairpin. Thank you guys for watching this video.